Alright, hello guys. Welcome to the third part of our lecture video on home office, branch, and agency accounting. So in this video, we will be discussing on how to reconcile the reciprocal accounts. Pero bago yan, dapat nasagutan nyo na yung problem number 2 ng previous video lecture natin. Kasi yung concept ng problem 2, magagamit ulit natin dito sa discussion na ito. Okay? So, ready na ba ang lahat? Okay, simulan na natin. Ano nga ba yung dalawang reciprocal accounts as discussed in our previous lecture video? Branch current and home office current. Saan nga ulit nakikita ang account na branch current? Sa libro ng home office. Ang home office current, saan naman nakikita? Sa libro ni branch. So, pag sinabi nating reciprocal accounts, dapat equal ang balances nila. Tama ba? Dapat equal sila. Kasi, kung may mag-initiate ng transaction between the home office and the branch, dapat nire-record yan in both books. Nakukuha niyo ako? For example, si home office magpapadala ng 10,000 cash kay branch. So, sa libro ni home office, siya ay magde-debit ng branch current and credit cash, 10,000. Tama? Dapat ganun din sa libro ni branch. Debit, cash, credit, home office current. Pansin nyo, pareho yung branch current at yung home office current account in that transaction. Okay. Now, nagkakaproblema kapag maraming transactions between home office and branch. Pag nagkakaroon kasi ng maraming transactions, pwede kasi sa kanila na magkamali or may hindi mai-record. That's why, ang nangyayari sa dalawang reciprocal accounts ay hindi tumutugma sa dulo. Di ba? Madalas hindi tumutugma yung dalawang yan. Bakit? Dalawang rason. Number one, timing differences. Pwede kasing si home office alam niyang may transaction sila ng branch, pero nakalimutan niyang sabihan yung branch na, let's say may papadala siyang merchandise, di ba? That's why hindi nare-record ng branch. Nare-record ng branch in a later time na. Kaya nagkakaroon ng timing differences. The second reason, errors. Pwedeng magkamali ang isa sa kanila or both pa sila magkamali. Di ba? For example, magpapadala ng 10,000 cash si home office kay branch. Na-record ni home office ito sa tamang amount. Pero pagdating kay branch, instead na 10,000 ang mai-record niya, 1,000 lang. So nagkakaroon na agad ng discrepancy between the reciprocal accounts due to this error. Okay? So sir, paano natin i-reconcile ang reciprocal accounts? Isipin nyo lang para kayo nagbabank reconciliation from intermediate accounting. Yun nga lang, walang fixed formula sa pagre-reconcile ng reciprocal accounts. Bakit? Kasi yung process na pagre-reconcile ay dumidepende sa naging nature nung nangyari kung ba't hindi sila tumugma. Sino nagkamali? Paano nagkamali? Depende yan sa dalawang questions na yun. Okay? So, para mas ma-discuss natin ito in greater detail, sasagutan natin yung third problem ng handout natin. Okay? Sige. Problem 3. Nay, medyo mahaba to. Pero sige, kayanin natin to. Kasi lahat ng concepts, makukuha na natin dito. Ready na? Okay. So we have 3 requirements. Tinatanong tayo, what is the adjusted balance of the branch current account in the home office books on December 31? Number 2, what is the unadjusted balance of the home office current account in the branch books on December 31? And the last one, what is the net adjustments to the branch current account and to the home office account respectively? So bago natin masagot yan, kailangan natin ma-analyze isa-isa ito from A to K. Ready na? Okay. So, dito muna tayo. A, B, C, D muna. Hindi magkakasya lahat ng analysis natin sa isang slide lang eh. Kaya, may mga kasunod pa to. Okay? Sige. So, at December 31, 2020, the Home Office shows a 156,000 balance in its branch current account. At the beginning of 2020, the inter-office account were in agreement. Pag sinabi natin inter-office account, ito yung reciprocal accounts. Okay? After examining on a comparative basis the inter-office account of the Mannheim Company, the following information has been gathered. Okay. So, paano natin i-analyze ang mga information? First, dapat alam natin kung ano yung entradang nagawa ni company. After that, dapat alam natin kung ano yung tamang entry. Pag nalaman kasi natin yung entradang ginawa ng company at yung tamang entry, doon natin makukuha yung magiging adjusting entry. Kaya expect maraming discussions tong problem na to. Okay? Sige. So let's start, ha? Letter A. The home office shipped merchandise worth 20,000 to the branch during December 2020, which the latter has received and recorded only in January 2021. Okay. Ito ang first concept. Normally, the party who initiates the transaction, siya yung tama. Unless, meron tayong clue na nagkamali din siya. Nakuha ba ko? So, sino nag-initiate sa letter A? Si home office. Nagpadala ng merchandise kay branch during December. Pero, si branch, na-record lang daw January na. So, ano yung entry ginawa ni company? Sa home office books, anong entrada nagawa ni company? Debit? Branch current, magkano yan? 20,000. Credit? Shipments to branch. 20,000. Ano naman kaya yung entradang ginawa sa libro ni branch as of December 31, 2020? Answer? No entry. Walang ginawa. Kasi, nai-record niya lang daw ito noon, January na. Okay? Tandaan nyo ha, December 31 ang ina-analyze natin. Walang ibang date. December 31 lang. Okay? Now, what's the correct entry? Sa libro ni home office, ano correct entry? Tama ba yung entradang ginawa niya? Yes. Therefore, wala tayong problema sa libro ni home office. Okay? Kasi nagawa niya naman yung tamang entry. Copy nyo lang. Di ba? Eh sa libro ni branch, what's the correct entry? Debit? Shipments from home office, 20,000. Credit, home office, current, 20,000. Sa tingin nyo, sino na nagkamali? Si home office o si branch? Branch. Walang ginawang entry, ito yung correct entry. So, the adjusting entry ay debit shipments from home office, credit, home office, current. Yay! Tapos na tayo. Letter A pa lang. No? A to K yan. So, marami pa tayong pagdadaanan. Okay? Sige. Letter B. Tapos na si letter A. A branch customer erroneously remitted payment in the amount of 10,000 to the home office. The home office recorded this collection as a credit to accounts receivable. The branch was not notified of the collection. Oh, ano nangyari dito? Isang customer ni branch nagbayad sa home office. So dahil si home office nakatanggap ng pera, anong entrada kaya ang nagawa ni home office sa libro niya? Debit, cash. Kano? 10,000. Ano na credit niya daw? The home office recorded this collection as a credit to AR. So nag-credit pala to ng AR. Ayan. Okay? Eh anong ginawang entrada ni branch? Answer? Wala. Bakit? The branch was not notified of this collection. So dahil walang sinabi yung home office kay branch, walang entradang nagawa yung branch. Next, what's the correct entry in the books of the home office? Debit, cash, 10,000. Ano dapat credit? AR ba dapat? Hindi. Ang dapat na na-credit niya ay branch current. Sir, bakit? The reason behind is that hindi niya yan customer. Okay? So, dahil hindi customer yan ni home office, hindi yan pumasok sa accounts receivable niya. Customer yan ng branch. Therefore, instead na AR ang i-credit, dapat branch current. Diba? Kuha? Ano naman dapat ang correct entry sa libro ni branch? Debit? Debit ano? Debit cash, sir. Mali. Hindi naman siya nakatanggap ng cash. Sino nakatanggap ng cash? Si home office. So instead na mag-debit ka ng cash, ang i-debit mo, home office current 10,000. At si branch ang karapat dapat pala mag-credit ng accounts receivable. So sa tingin nyo, sino mali? Both, sir. Correct. Pareho silang mali. So, dalawa adjusting entry natin. So, sa libro ni Home Office, ang tamang entrada ay debit cash credit branch current. Walang problema sa cash. Walang problema. Ang problema ay credit. So, paano natin gagawin yan? Reverse mo yung AR. Debit AR, credit branch current. Sa libro naman ni branch, ano entrada? Ano dapat ang adjusting entry? Kopyahin mo lang yung correct entry niya. Debit, home office current, credit, accounts, receivable. Yan. Ay, sir, pwede pala yun. Pareho silang mali. Of course. That's why there is no fixed formula in reconciling the reciprocal accounts. Yes? Letter C. The branch returned damaged merchandise worth 30,000 to the home office. The home office did not yet receive the debit memo sent by the branch. Okay. Sino nag-initiate neto? Si branch. Unahin natin siya. What was the entry made in the books of the branch? Nagbalik daw ng damaged merchandise. So, debit tayo ng home office current, 30,000. Credit mo, shipments from home office. Baliktarin mo lang yung entrada kapag nakakatanggap siya ng shipments from home office. Diba? Anong ginawa sa libro ni home office? Wala, sir, kasi hindi pa niya natatanggap yung debit memo. Correct. Since wala pang supporting documents na nare-receive, wala pa siyang na-entradahan. What is the correct entry in the books of the home office? Debit, shipments to branch. 30. Credit, branch, current. What is the correct entry in the books of the branch? May problema ba yung ginawa niyang entry? Wala. So, no problem tayo. Ang tanging problema ay nasa libro ni home office. So, lagyan natin ng label. Di ba? Lagyan natin ng label kasi mahirap ang walang label. So, debit, shipments to branch. 30. Credit, branch, current. Okay? Ayan. Yung sa letter A, lagyan natin ng entrada. Sino nagkamali sa ating letter A? Si branch. Yan, labelan natin para hindi mahirap mag-assume hindi mahirap i-identify kung saan yung adjusting entry later on. No. Okay? Sige, letter dog. A remittance of cash collections amounting to 40,000 was not yet recorded by the home office. Sino nag-initiate ng remittance na to? Pag ginamit natin ang term na remittance, it's either the home office or the branch lang yan. Unless may nagsabi na hindi isa sa kanila. Okay? So, remittance of cash was not yet recorded by the home office. Therefore, si branch nag-initiate neto. Ano entrada nung nag-remit siya ng cash sa home office? Debit, home office current, 40,000. Tama ba? Credit, cash, 40. Okay. Ano entradang ginawa sa libro ni home office? Wala. Not yet recorded pa daw eh. Next, what's the correct entry? So, first, in the books of the home office, debit, cash, credit, branch, current. Ano correct entry sa libro ni branch? May problema ba yung ginawa niyang entrada? Wala. So, no problem. Kopyahin mo lang kung ano yung ginawa niyang entry. So, na kanino yung mali? Sa libro ni home office. So, debit, cash, 40, credit, branch, current. Yay! Tapos na tayo sa A to D. Kaso may mga kasunod pa yan. Okay? So, I suggest, screenshot nyo na lang to para mabilis yung pag-pick up natin pag once i-reconcile na natin mamaya. Okay? Ready na? Okay. Next slide. E to H naman tayo. The home office allocated utilities expense of 5,000 to the branch which the latter has recorded twice. Sino nag-initiate nito? Home office. So, ano yung entradang ginawa ni home office nung nag-allocate siya ng utilities expense sa branch? Debit, branch current, 5,000. Tamang 5,000, no? Okay? Credit, utilities expense. Pag sinabi nating nag-a-allocate ng expense, meaning yan, pinapasa niya yung gastos sa branch. Okay? Next. Ano yung entry na ginawa ni branch? Na-record daw siya ng 2 beses. Therefore, ang nangyari, debit, utilities expense, instead na 5,000 lang, 10,000 ang na-debit. Credit, home office, current. Okay? What's the correct entry in the books of the home office? May problema ba yung ginawang entrada ni home office? Wala. Yung ginawang entry ni branch. Yung accounts, tama. Yun nga lang yung amount ang mali. Magkano yung correct amount? Debit, utilities expense, 5,000 lang. Credit, home office current, 5,000. So, sino mali? Si branch. Paano yung adjusting entry natin? Reverse natin ng isang beses yung entrada niya. Debit, home office current, 5,000. Credit, utilities expense, 5,000. Bawasan lang natin. Okay? Pabawasan lang siya. Malinaw. Letter F. Freight charge of 12,000 paid by the home office for shipments of merchandise to the branch was recorded by the latter as 1,200. Sino nag-initiate nung transaction? Home office. Okay. Freight charge 12,000 paid by the home office. Okay? So, nagbayad daw si home office ng 12,000 as freight charge. Di ba? So, ano ang naging entrada dito? Debit, branch current. Sir, hindi ba freight in? No, hindi sa kanya yung shipments. Yung shipments ay para sa branch. Credit cash. Next, ano yung entradang ginawa ni branch? Siya yung magde-debit nung freight in. Kaso magkano? 1,200 lang. Credit, home office, current. What's the correct entry in the books of the home office? May problema ba yung entradang ginawa ni home office? Answer, wala naman. So, tama to. Kokopyahin mo lang yung entrada ni home office. What about sa libro ni branch? May problema ba? Yung accounts tama, yung amount ang mali. Dapat, debit, freight in, 12,000 instead of 1,200, credit, home office current. So, yung adjusting entry ay nasa libro ni branch. Tama? So, paano natin i-adjust yan? Dadagdagan natin. Debit, freight in. Magkano yung kulang? 12,000 minus 1,2. Ayan. Dagdag lang tayo ng 10,8. Credit, home office, current, 10,8. Clear? Okay. Letter G. The home office charged the branch 8,500 for interest on open account, which the branch failed to take up in full. Instead, the branch sent to the home office a wrong adjusting memo, reducing the charge by 2,000 and set up a liability for the net amount. Sir, parang hindi ko na-guess yung nangyari. Ang gulo ng letter G. Okay, isa-isayin natin. First, sino nag-initiate muna? Sino nag-initiate? Di ba si home office? Chinarge niya si branch ng interest on open account which the branch failed to take up in full. Diyan muna. So, ano entrada nung nag-charge si home office ng interest kay branch? Debit, branch current, 8.5. Credit, interest, expense, 8.5. Okay? Next. Ang kasunod na kwento, the branch failed to take up in full. Instead, the branch sent to the home office a wrong adjusting memo reducing the charge by 2,000 and set up a liability for the net amount. The correct amount is 8.5. Reduce the charge by 2,000, so 6.5 yung amount. Tama? And set up a liability for the net amount. So, ang nangyari, ang ginawang entrada ni branch, nag-debit siya ng interest expense, 6.5, instead na i-credit niya si home office current, interest payable ang kanyang credit. Okay? So, nakuha niyo yung letter G, ganyan yung nangyari. Okay? Ganyan ang nangyari. So, what's the correct entry in the books of the home office? May problema ba ang entradang ginawa ni home office? Wala. Tama? Wala. So, kopyahin mo lang yung ginawa ni home office. Next, what's the correct entry in the books of the branch? Debit, interest expense, 8.5. Ano dapat ang correct credit? Home office current. Ayan na. Nakanina yung mali. Branch. Okay. How do you adjust? How do you adjust the entry? Tingnan nyo ang correct entry ng interest expense, 8.5. Magkano na record niya sa branch books? 6.5. So, dagdagan mo yung interest expense, 2,000. Next. Ano yung correct credit? Home office current. Pero ano yung credit? Interest payable. So, reverse mo yung interest payable. So, debit, interest payable, at ipasok mo ang tamang credit. 8.5. Yan. Medyo komplikado yung adjusting entry niya, di ba? Pero nakuha niya. Di ba? That's letter G. Letter H. The home office received 10,000 from the sale of a merchandise which it erroneously credited to the branch. The branch did not charge the home office. Okay. Sino nag-initiate muna? Si home office. Nakatanggap daw ng 10,000 cash. So, entry made, debit, cash. 10,000. Ano ginawa niya? Erroneously credited to the branch. So, nag-credit siya ng branch current. May entry bang ginawa yung branch? Wala. The branch did not charge the home office. Wala siyang entry ginawa. Tama? Pag sinabi kasi nating charge, dinidebit. Okay? Take note of that. Pag charge, debit. Next. What's the correct entry in the books of the home office? Debit, cash. 10,000. Ano dapat ang correct credit niya? Since this is a sale, credit sales. Okay? Yan. Sa libro ni Branch, what's the correct entry? No entry. Walang problema sa libro ni Branch. Na kanina yung problema? Home office. So, to adjust, debit, branch current. Reverse mo yun. Tapos, pasok mo yung tamang credit sales. Okay? Are we all clear? Nakakapagod ba? Buhay pa ba? Kaya yan. Ilan pa to? 3 na lang. At least, di ba? Malapit na tayo matapos. Layanin natin. Kahit mabigat. Sige. Letter I. The branch acquired an equipment costing 15,000 for its own use. It is the home office policy to maintain records of all its branch plant assets. the home office was not yet notified of the acquisition. Okay, ano nangyari dito? I-apply natin yung accounting for branch plant assets. Sino nag-initiate? Branch. Very good. Anong ginawa ng branch? The branch acquired an equipment costing 15,000. Bumili daw siya ng equipment. Tama? Now, ano kaya yung entry na ginawa ni branch sa libro niya? Ano entry ginawa niya? That is, debit, home office, current, 15,000. Credit, cash. It is assumed na alam ni branch yung policy pagdating sa plant asset records. No? It is assumed na alam niya. Tapos, since hindi alam ni home office yung acquisition, walang entry ginawa si home office. Next, what's the correct entry in the books of the home office? Debit, equipment, branch. 15,000, credit, branch, current. Okay? What about in the books of the branch? What's the correct entry? May problema? Wala. Kopyahin mo lang. Tama naman yung entry ginawa niya. Okay? So, the adjusting entry will be made in the books of the home office by debiting equipment branch. Kopyahin mo yung correct entry. Okay? Credit, branch, current. Alright? Second to the last, letter J. The branch inadvertently received a copy of the home office entry correcting item H and entered a credit in favor of the home office as of December 31, 2020. Letter I. Ay, mali. Letter H pala. So, balikan natin sa letter H. Ano nangyari doon? Yung regarding sa erroneous entry on the sale of merchandise. So, ang kwento, na-receive daw ng branch yung adjusting memo from the home office na kinorek yung nangyari sa letter H transaction, no? Tapos itong si branch nagpaloko. So paano ang nangyari? So wag na natin tignan si home office, wala na to. Okay? Ang nangyari, pre-edit ni branch yung home office current. So debit various account. Magkano yung amount? Letter H. 10. Nagpaloko siya dun sa adjusting memo. Credit, home office, current. Correct entry, wag na natin tignan yung home office books kasi na-consider na natin yan nung nasa letter H pa lang tayo. No? So, sa branch books, what's the correct entry? No entry. Why? Kasi kung babalikan nyo yung letter H, the branch did not charge the home office in the first place. So, tama na si branch in the first place. Nagpaloko lang siya dito sa letter J. That's why, anong gagawin natin? Reverse the entry. Debit, home office current, credit mo yung various account. Sir, bakit various account? No? Kapag for illustration purposes, various account na lang gamitin para mas mabilis natin siyang ma-analyze. Ang importante lang kasi talaga is how do you correct the reciprocal account. Okay? Yun lang ang focus natin dito. Kaya minsan gumagamit na ako ng various accounts. Okay? Sige. Last one. Ayan na. The home office charged the branch depreciation of 1.5 related to the equipment that was acquired in item I. The branch recorded this by crediting accumulated depreciation. Okay. Ano yung entry ginawa ni home office dito? Debit, branch current, 1.5. Credit, accumulated depreciation. Alam ni home office yung policy when it comes to the plant asset records of the branch. Tapos, ano ginawa ni branch? Debit, depreciation expense, 1.5. Ang credit niya, accumulated depreciation. Correct entry in the books of home office? No problem na. Kopyahin niyo na lang yan. Pero, yung libro ni branch may mali. Dapat, debit, depreciation expense, credit, home office, current. So, yung mali dito ay si branch, no? Ayan. How do you correct? Debit, accumulated depreciation, credit, home office, current. Okay? Ayan. So, tapos na tayo, no? Lagyan lang natin ng label ng yung adjusting entry letter J. Si branch may mali dito. Alright? So, ayan. Nakuha na din natin lahat ng adjusting entry from A to K. But the bad news is, wala pa tayong nasasagot sa tatlong requirements. Now, at least may adjusting entries, di ba? Basta yan na tayo doon. Okay? So, I hope nakuha nyo lahat nung slides for the adjusting entries. Kasi gagamitin natin yon to reconcile these accounts. Okay? Sige. Next slide tayo. Ayan. For this slide, sasummarize na natin lahat ng adjusting entries. So, dyan sa mga screenshot nyo, ang titignan lang natin dyan ay yung inyong adjusting entries. Huwag nyo lang tignan yung entries made, correct entry, adjusting entry lang ang focus. Okay? Sige. So, I assume nandiyan na sa ano niya, phone yung ating screenshot. Okay? Sige. How much is the reported balances? Branch current, may nireport na 156,000. May given bang unadjusted balance ang home office current? Wala, ano? Pero kasi tinatanong yan. Okay? Sige. So, leave it blank lang. Okay? Lagay na natin lahat ng mga nasa adjusting entry. Okay? So, ganito gagawin, ha? Kayo na bahala tumingin sa screenshots na. Basta ako ilalagay ko lahat ng adjusting entries. Okay? Letters A to K. Guide ko lang kayo. Letters A and B lang muna. Bakit ako nag-add ng 20,000 under home office current? Balik tayo sa adjusting entry natin. Bakit ako nag-add ng 20,000? That is because credit natin si home office current. Ano bang effect kapag nag-credit ka sa home office current? Dapat. Kasi normal balance niya, credit. Tama? Okay. Next. What about sa letter B? Bakit ako nagbawas ng 10,000 kay branch current? Kasi, credit natin siya dito. Okay? Kaya tayo nagbawas. Kasi ang normal balance ng branch current ay debit. Nakuha? Pati si home office current, babawasan din natin yan. Okay? Yan. That's the reason behind bakit ganyan ang entrada natin or adjustment. Okay? So, lagay na natin ha. Sabayan nyo rin ako, guys. Ayan. I hope naintindihan nyo kung bakit nag-add, nag-minus. Okay? Anihin nyo lang yung debit and credit rules natin. Okay? Sige. What's the adjusted balance of the branch current account? So, minus, ano tayo? 156,000 minus 10,000 minus 30,000 minus 40,000 plus 10,000 minus 15,000. Magkano adjusted balance niya? 71,000. Okay? So, number 1 natin, sagot natin ay 71,000. That's your answer for number 1. Next, what is the unadjusted balance of the home office current account in the branch books? Okay. Pagdating natin sa adjusted balance, dapat equal na sila, no? Dapat mag-equal yan sila dito. Kasi pag nag-reconcile tayo, dapat ultimately mag-equal sila, tama? So, depende yan sa pagko-compute nyo. So, kung may mali kayong na-compute sa pagre-reconcile, damay yung number 2. Okay? So, for number 2, i-work back nyo pataas. Okay? Ayan, di ba? 71,000, work back nyo pataas to. Okay? So, magkano ang unadjusted balance? Answer is 55,200. Answer for number 2, 55,200. Malinaw? Okay. Number 3, what is the net adjustment? Okay. Paano natin i-analyze ito? So, branch current, home office current. Unadjusted balance and adjusted balance. Lagay lang natin yung mga nakuha natin. 156,000, 55,200, then 71,000. Ang hinahanap ng number 3 ay yung gitna. Okay? Squeeze out nyo lang. Okay? Sa branch current muna tayo. 156,000 minus 71,000. Net adjustment is 85,000 minus. Okay? Sa home office naman, 71,000 minus 55,200. Net adjustment, 15,800. Positive. Okay? Now, dapat alam nyo kung net debit or net credit adjustment ito. Okay? So, nakikita natin, negative adjustment yung nasa branch current account. Pag negative pag negative adjustment yung branch current account natin, nasabi ko na yung sagot, di ba? Diyan ay net credit. Okay? Kapag decrease ang adjustment sa branch current account mo, it means credit adjustment siya. Okay? Pag yan kasi nag-positive, yung adjustment ng branch current, net debit yan. Gets nyo ba? Okay? Si home office current. Positive. Tama? Ayan, positive siya. Dahil positive yan, meaning net credit adjustment din. Why? Equity account yan, guys. Saan ba nag-i-increase ang equity account? Credit. Tama? Ang branch current kasi, asset. Since nag-decrease siya, meaning na credit. Pag nag-increase siya, meaning debit. Okay? Nakuha ba? Parang ganito lang. P-account naman. Tingnan nyo ha. Ang unadjusted balance niya, 156,000. Pero, ang adjusted balance, 71,000. So, saan mo ilalagay yung adjustment? 85,000, which is credit. Okay? Yung home office current. Unadjusted balance niya, 55,200. Adjusted balance, 71,000. Saan mo ilalagay yung 15,800? Credit. Okay? Yan. Nakuha nyo? Kaya ang sagot natin for number 3, 85,000 net credit, 15,800 net credit. Okay? Sa branch current, nag-a-add siya pag debit, nagma-minus pag credit. Pag home office current, nag-a-add siya sa credit, nagma-minus sa debit. Are we all clear? And that's the end of our third video on home office branch and agency accounting. As to our next video, we will now be discussing special procedures. Okay, so see you in our next video, guys.